Today, let's cook shrimp, onion, and scallion scrambled eggs, a simple dish packed with flavor. First, trim the ends off the onion and slice it into thin strips. Cut the scallions into short sections. Crack 6 eggs into a bowl. Add 1½ teaspoons of salt and whisk until smooth. Then, stir in the scallion pieces and shrimp. Heat a wok over medium-high heat and add 1/3 cup of oil. Once the oil is hot, drop in a small amount of egg mixture to test the temperature. If it sizzles and bubbles right away, the oil is ready. Pour in half of the egg mixture since the salt may have settled. Give it a quick stir before pouring. Let it set slightly, stir gently, and then add the remaining mixture. Do not stir right away. Let the egg mixture begin to set on its own. Use a spatula to gently push some of the eggs from the center toward the edges. Once the eggs are partially set, add the sliced onions on top, letting them sink slightly into the mixture. Then gently fold the edges inward toward the center. See those golden brown spots? That's the best part, full of flavor. Continue folding and gently stirring until the eggs are fully set and the onions have softened. If you prefer a bit of crunch, you can stir fry half the onions first and add the rest at the end for a fresh texture. Once the eggs are fully set, turn off the heat and gently plate your dish. And that's it, a simple, homey, and delicious shrimp and scallion scrambled egg. So comforting, so easy. Now dig in and enjoy every bite.